Hey YouTube, it's Mystery Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's icon of the seas. Where are we at? Check it out. We're at the Casino Royale. Alright, let's take a look around. We're in port today, so we're actually allowed the video inside the casino. Normally we're not allowed the video in the casino, but because we're in port, the casino's closed, we're able to. They got plenty of table games, of course the slot machines. But this is a big casino. Well, just like everything else on the icon, it's big. Got the world's largest cruise ship. I got the world's largest casino on it. And yeah, look at all these games. All these places that make $1 million. Well, hopefully, and not lose one. But yeah, we've got lots of table games. There they are. Look at this. Look at all these games. And you can see all the slots. Slots everywhere. All along the sides. Look, there's even more over here. I guess this section here's for like the high rollers. Yeah. I don't know, this is cool. But yeah, all these games, all these opportunities to make money. And of course a bar. Because, you know, you play better when you're inebriated, right? Right? Alright. Past the casino, we got music hall. Music hall over here. We'll get to it really soon here. Gonna get past all these table games. Look at all these games. More games, more games. Look at this. Alright, let's get into this is music hall. Alright. Oh, they got something going on here in music hall. Well, they got a movie or something. But yeah, up here is upper level of music hall. Of course, you got a bar. And got a movie being played down here.
No, I need a cure.
Not sure what's playing, but look at this.
Single target nucleotide intervention.
You got several layers.
But there are some promising
lower level, upper level.
That's why you went there.
And of course, you're never far from your favorite adult beverage. Why not? All right, here we're at music hall. We're at the upper level of music hall. They've got a movie playing here in music hall, so let's not disturb them. All right, let's head out. All right. Here at the front of the ship, we have another one of these elevator banks. It's pretty cool. You don't have to press an elevator button inside. You select your deck out here. Pretty innovative. All right. The Royal Theater is closed right now, so we can't go in there. Looks like they're playing The Wizard of Oz tonight. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't got a chance to, but I hear it's really good. Oh, wait. I think I might hear practice going on. I think they might be practicing in there. Sorry, I can't show you that. But here we are in the elevator bank. Pretty cool. And this is me, Mystery Shadow 1969. I think I'm losing my voice, so please give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.